Ooh. I don't even know if you can tell, but it is pouring. There's a lot of lightning in the sky. Videotaping. Oh! How far away are you? Nah, it's moved. Oh, that must be like heat lightning.
What?
The little ones
What about them?
are like heat lightning.
Yeah. Because why is it doing this? Because it's
Pop! Who's my pop? Hello! Hello, my love! What are you doing? You have a ball or something? Huh? Oh, yes, who's got a ball? You do! Who's my baby? Come here! Come here, my love! Come here! Come here! Oh, you could not give a shit. Come here! Give me love! Come here! Come here, you little biatch! Come here! Okay, fine! Usually she jumps all over me, but not today. Well, good afternoon, people of the interwebs. I'm probably filming great. Everything's awesome. There's a pup. It's not even afternoon anymore. It's evening because I was at work all day and I want to die. Woke up, could not wake up to save my life. Like, couldn't do it. Just didn't want to, didn't care. Just was like, kept pressing snooze until I literally only had 20 minutes to get everything ready and eat and leave. So, that's me in a nutshell. I will press snooze until the absolute last possible minute. Ow, sorry. Just stripping. Don't worry about it. Also, I got this. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, can you see it? Look at that. That's from me trying to get stuff from registers and things. And it's really cool because the camera's not catching it, but like in a certain light, it kind of looks like a werewolf scratch. So I was all like, "I'm a werewolf now," because that's me. But thought I'd update you. Me and Mom are gonna go for a walk. I need to eat food because I'm starving, like Marvin. So catch you in a bit. Okay, bye. All right. So from here, I'm gonna say goodnight because knowing me, I'm not gonna end the video, and then I'm gonna get really pissed that I forgot to end the video. So like and subscribe because I do these videos every day, even though I'm pretty sure I don't know what I filmed today, which happens. Yeah. Remember all, you gotta risk it for the butter brisket. Okay, have a good night or morning whenever you're watching this. And I'm pretty sure I started with a thunderstorm, then went to me coming home from work, to nothing, to this. Pretty sure that's what it went, because that's just how my life is. That's just how I do things. So I'm trying to make now this ends into a horrible rant. So I'm trying to make an appointment for an Apple appointment so I can fix my phone, because God, it's awful, and it's been what, like 2 months. So that's a struggle because I had to register my phone on my iTunes and all this shenanigans, and then I don't know what I'm doing, so I gave up on it. I probably will have to call them and make an appointment, or just walk in. Maybe I'll get lucky and I can just walk in and be like, hey, I need my phone fixed. Is that possible? So, yeah, that's about it. That's all I did today. Bye!